Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Athalia Padi. The name of my business is Atha. It's based in Soshanguve Extension 3A. I started the year 2023. I started my business because I'm an aromatic lover. I've always liked life scents. Fragrance makes me feel comfortable in any way, in everywhere that I go. So I feel most comfortable when I'm wearing my perfume. Okay, I service with perfumes, car scents, also home diffusers. Atha sells different products, whereby not everyone has the products. That's why my ranging price is different from the others. So my slogan is expensive scent at reasonable price. Okay, you can get me through email, which is athascent01@gmail.com, TikTok athascent, Instagram Atha_scent, and also Facebook Atha. Hi, my name is Athalia Padi. I'm a township entrepreneur.